Hey, what's up, hermanos? How y'all doing? Just wanted to do a quick little video here for you guys. So I did receive a package. So I'm gonna do a quick video here. Received a package here from Chicago Comb. So I wanna definitely show them some love here. So I'm doing a little unboxing here. So I really want to make a lot of noise here. So there we go. What we got here is the box. Get everything out here. Excuse the noise. And I don't know if you guys have ever tried Chicago comb. They actually got great combs out there. I know I've always had my lucky number one. Kind of use that to get my little pompadour thing going on for the top of the hair. And I know I need a haircut, guys, so don't let me know that right now. I definitely know I need one. So check it out, guys. Check it out, check it out. They sent me their number 5 comb, and it's a metal comb. And I know it's laser cut, so anybody who has said, hey, don't trust the metal comb, it's gonna get, it's gonna snag on your beard. Doesn't look like it's gonna snag. It looks like a perfect cut here, so we'll give it a test out either way. Well, I want to let you guys know this is what I got in the mail. And I got a little card here as well. So take a look at that as well. And that's how they look here. So go on their site, chicagocomb.com. And I got this here from Ted. It's my buddy here I've been talking to. So it says, Javier, here's the sample comb. And, oh, he sent me something else. And the beard oil. Thanks again, Todd. So let me go find this beard oil. Give me a second here, guys. Okay. And that's the beard oil. So this is the, let's see, Woodland Citrus. Woodland Citrus. Let me open this up. So you guys can see, it is the Woodland Citrus. Woodland Citrus. Now let me smell this. Never smelled this before, guys, so okay. Not bad. Okay. Alright. I like it. I like it a lot. Really good. Actually, let me try out this comb and beard right now. I don't have anything in beard right now. So try this out. And take it from there. And I've been having issues with the little like flyaways here at the end. So I'm trying to keep it clean. My lucky number one have been kind of doing the trick, and don't think, guys, that I'm just kind of pushing this here just because they're local, which they are. I have a lot of combs, and I'll show you guys. I got a lot of combs here. Anything from your trusted Kent comb to Oxhorn combs, these combs to these, and my little to-go one. Here you go. Woo. My little Honest Ape, since Dan just made his video not too long ago. A little shout out for Honest Ape there. So yeah, let's give it a try here. And again, I use my number one for beard. I don't have a full thick beard, so I think my number one does great for my beard. And I know I've been talking to Todd, and he let me know that they had the number 5 here, and this is gonna be a little wider tooth for those of you with thicker beards. Let's give it a try. Okay. No snags. Ease. I saw Acker's video a little earlier, so let's give it a try. Thank you, Straight Bearded. I'm gonna give this a try now. See if this starts filling in a little bit, you know? Okay, well, this feels real good. Alright, I wanted you guys to see me combing my beard, so that's kind of it. You know, no snags, otherwise I'd be crying or yelling right now or saying what? Something. Nothing getting caught, nothing being taken care of. So, there goes that. And, yeah. So again, Chicago comb. Give them a shout out. Yeah, give them a try. Trying to see what else they come out with. I know they got crate designs ones. I'm into little heritage. I know May the 4th just happened. Cinco de Mayo is right around the corner. So I know they got the skull ones. I know they got the skeleton skull design ones. Those are some of my favorite designs on there. I know they can customize a few things here. And they got your little leather cases or whatever it may be. So hit them up. Let them know either Straight Bearded or Hob sent you. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day.